Welcome to Acacia Roots. In this video, we will be traveling to Spain and explore the beautiful Costa Brava region. This is the wild coast of Spain. Here we can see some medieval castles sitting right next to the beach, some hidden sea caves and ancient ruins. We are taking you along for this trip, so sit back and enjoy. For our next stop, we headed north to another coastal town, Lestratit. This was one of the larger towns that we visited, and it had quite a big harbour. We rented a boat to explore the rugged coastline and the nearby islands. Well, let me stop talking and let's enjoy the beautiful scenery. The boat we rented was 220 euros for the day, including our fuel. Neither of us have a skipper's license, but because this boat has a small engine of less than 20 horsepower, no license is required. We can highly recommend this adventure, as this was one of the highlights of our trip. We will link the boat renting company in our description below if you would like to check them out. Next up, we step back in time to explore ancient Greek and Roman ruins that date back nearly 2,600 years.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope you enjoyed it and found some inspiration for your next visit to Spain. If you want to come along on more adventures, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means the world to us. Until next time, cheers.